How to use Desvest app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Most beginners open Desvest expecting instant gains, but the surprising truth is this platform is built for structured, disciplined investing. Let's go over how to use Desvest properly and the mistakes that often cost new users. Desvest allows you to invest in diversified portfolios managed by professionals. The first mistake is skipping the questionnaire during sign-up. Those questions determine your investment strategy from conservative to growth. If you rush through it, you'll end up in a portfolio that doesn't match your goals or risk tolerance. The next mistake: ignoring automatic rebalancing. Desvest periodically adjusts your portfolio to maintain your risk level. Turning this off can cause your asset mix to drift, leading to higher volatility and lower returns. Another big error is withdrawing too early. The platform is designed for long-term investing. Constant withdrawals kill compounding. Also, many users overlook performance reports. Desvest provides detailed breakdowns of returns, fees, and market movements. Use these to understand what's driving your portfolio's performance. Used correctly, Desvest is your guide to consistent, stress-free investing. It's not about chasing quick wins, it's about building wealth patiently and intelligently over time.